Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. How to maintain your leg strength as you age and why it matters. Maintaining leg strength as you age is vital for mobility, independence, and preventing falls. Strong legs support everyday activities, protect joints, and help with balance. Here's how to keep your legs strong. Why it matters. Number 1. Mobility and independence. Strong legs help you move freely. Number 2. Fall prevention. They improve balance and stability. Number 3. Bone health. Strengthens bones, reducing osteoporosis risk. Number 4. Joint support. Protects knee and hip joints. Number 5. Metabolic health. Boosts metabolism by maintaining muscle mass. How to maintain leg strength. Number 1. Strength training. Do squats, lunges, leg presses, and calf raises. Number 2. Use resistance bands or weights to intensify workouts. Number 3. Balance exercises. Practice standing on one leg or yoga. Number 4. Regular walking or hiking for overall leg strength. Number 5. Swimming. Low-impact exercises that build muscle. Number 6. Stretch regularly to maintain flexibility. Consistency is key. Train your legs 2 to 3 times a week to stay strong and healthy.